Something just went under right there. What is that? The big snake. Big snake. Get out of there. My boy just got ready, bruh. Walker Evans. Wait, what'd you put on? You put on a hook?
Cause like, you know what I'm doing today?
You're gonna be a live baiter? You gotta put a lure on. We're doing the live straight bait. Artificials today, my boy.
That's what we're doing right here.
We're doing gamblers, we're doing zoom.
Doing the fluke with the little live bait hook on the top. Just
so you're gonna do the little tiny hook. That's
just that little
best presentation for the zoom fluke.
That's how you do it.
That's a C money. That's a C money type of strategy right there,
I
bro.
like that.
And if not, we're gonna use a little scrimps.
Yeah, we're gonna catch our shrimp, guys, today.
Yes,
we're gonna
sir.
catch tarpon on live shrimp, 4-foot tarpon right now.
On live shrimps. I don't know. I bet there's a lot of gators over there. There's a lot of bass, it looks like, over there.
Which way are we going?
I say let's crawl in this little diggly right here. We just pulled up here to the spots, boy.
I'm a crawler.
Yo, walk.
I know. I'm on paper thin.
Walk. Those things are run down, dude. Nice.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Nice peacock.
Nice walk. Let's go. Let's go. Pee on the freaking fluke.
Nice one.
You said you wanted a peacock, bro.
Dude, look at that.
And he caught it with the owner.
Oh,
Look at how he's using this, boys. We were talking about it earlier. He's using a little owner with the white zoom fluke.
right away. It's good. Big mouth, but look at his stomach. Little skinny, little small body.
Yeah, he was hungry, dude. Cast at that other one. Oh, he's going under the pipe.
Yeah.
My boys, this 4,000 Saltus is feeling so nice. I mean, I really want to whack a big snake on this right now. Got it on the 7-foot medium heavy St. Croix Triumph. Ooh, that was a rough cast right there. Use tilapias for bait. Oh my god, I'm thinking they're snakeheads. There's so many of them. Like, they're just on every single bed there's a tilapia. It's rather unfortunate. It's like the wrong invasive species to see. I'd rather see 10 snakeheads. These things got no grip. There's so many big gators in here. I don't even think this place is that good. There's too many big gators. Need to pull him out. Oh, he's really being a jerk. There he is. It's not even that big. I let him get it deep though. It's gonna be annoying taking that out. But man, oh man, look at the colors on that snakehead. Thing is sick. Cast it right down that line, right where I saw that gator. These Dancos are like, oof. So I gotta put water on them every time. All right, chill. Yeah, oh, well, you're getting the hook out for me. Well, there it goes. You can get out now. Alright, he's got blood all over me. Yo, walk. A nice little dinky snake. There he goes. And he's off. We're out here, man. Really some beautiful lakes. Beautiful landscape. All up in people's property. I love it. Oh, I just spooked something right there. Tiny, man. They're small up in this joint. They small up in this joint. I knew he was there though. He gave himself away. Damn, you're messing yourself up, son. Just let go of it, man. Getting stuck in the hole, dude. Dink snakes. Oh, what is this amazing looking spot we got back here? This little snake trail right here. Tell me ain't nothing but a snakehead make that shit. Some fish gotta make it. It's their little highway. Something just went under right there. What is that? The big snake. Big snake. Get out of there. Get out of there. You just brought me into this. You just brought me in. Just brought me in. Come on. Get out of there. Come on, there you are. There you are. Oh, he's so big and he is dogging me. Come here.
Come.
He's right there. He's just dug deep and all under that stuff. I just want to, yeah, it's so deep right there. It's, don't go in.
It's still tight, you know, I still got it tight.
Yeah, just hold the rod for me.
It's right here.
No, just make sure to watch the rod one.
Okay, I got it.
He's right there. You can just stop being so terrible. Just stop, man.
Get him.
Just stop.
Like reach over your hand and pull it off.
Just stop.
Oh, you gotta pick him up because he's huge. You gotta get
It's a nice one.
He was huge.
Yeah, he's a nice one, dude. I tried to tell you that.
He's fucking huge, George. George, get him. Get him, get him, get him. George, I wanna flip that fish. George, that is sick. That's the biggest one I've seen. It's the biggest one. Please get him. Get him, get him.
He's up, he's up. It's a nice one, dude. Way nicer than the ones we've been catching here.
Yeah, man.
Really small fish.
Probably double the size, I would say.
Yeah, it's like literally double the size. And I hooked him barely. Just barely hooked him. Yeah. There we
wow.
go. There we
Look
go.
at the fucking head on him.
All right.
Wow.
Look at that, dude.
Look at that. Solid.
We got 0 pounds on the scale.
South
I'm
Bend.
just gonna put his gill right in it, just like that. All right, just try not to shake around. What does it say, Walk?
It's about 5.5 pounds right there. A little over 5.5 pounds.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking like 6.
Yeah. Oh.
Damn.
Look at that. He's going right back to the
He's
water.
trying to go in the water.
Wow. Hold him up one more time, man. Sick.
Sick.
He's got a little blood coming out of him now, but
He's good.
that, dude. How orange he is.
Yeah, that's sick. Look at that, dude. Nice
Fresh,
snake.
Let's get him back. You know
Let's
they're
get him
tanks.
back. He's ready.
You know they're tanks.
We spent like 20 minutes out of the water with him, but he
He had to go
should.
in the water too.
He should swim off very nicely. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go.
Wow.
There we go. Well, he swam into the depths too. Can't even see him. He's like under all that, dude. He was right there, and I literally I saw him bubbling, casted right there, and he smacked it, dude.
Had to come over here. My boy had to go knee deep. Let's get it, George. Let's get it.
Had to go knee deep for that,
Get it,
dude.
boy.
What? It's like a little moat, dude. What? It's a snakehead moat. Ooh, something just veered right off that culvert. Peacock bass. Dude, this little canal leads all the way up and goes around these houses like a moat. Literally like a moat. It's actually crazy. As soon as I started looking down. No. Look at that snake. As soon as I started looking down too, dude. Look at that snakehead, dude, right up behind somebody's freaking nice backyard, dude. Are you kidding me? You freaking kidding me? Freaking kidding me right now? Damn, it's as soon as I started looking down, I didn't even get to look at the eat. He barely ate it.
Get it. Show him how it's done.
All right, there we go.
There it is. He's lipping it.
Lipping the snake.
SF does it right.
Yeah, that is a Slay SF type of move right there.
Get it on the camera right there, man. Come on, George. Look how he's gripping it.
Why does he look dead?
We put him on ice for like an hour, that's why.
Yeah, right? Let's see if he swims off. I hope he does. Oh, he swam off good. Got me soaked.
Like he's dead.